This is a look at how I acquire coordinates from a Revit file. I have opened a blank or new Revit model using a project template I have set up. I have collaborated the model to BIM 360, and now I would like to acquire the coordinates from a pre-existing site model. On your particular project, the model from which you acquire your coordinates may be a site model, it may be an architectural model, or it may be a survey DWG. The process is the same or similar either way. So to start out with, we always click the save button. We open our manage links and we add in the file we would like to acquire coordinates from. As this is a BIM 360 file, I will navigate to the cloud, Autodesk Docs, and simply navigate through the folder structure to the item I'm looking for. On this project, we have created a site model. I will bring in the site model on the project base point to project base point. That will bring the base point of our site model to the 0,0,0 point of our current Revit file. Select open. And OK. We see now that we have the boundary lines and some information has come through on the site file. I can see that is my site model from Revit. If I was to select my project base point within my model, I will see my north-south coordinate at 0, east-west coordinate 0, and my angle to true north at 0. I've pre-populated two views, one for the project north and one for the site true north. This will give us a visual representation of how the model changes once we acquire the coordinates. So to confirm, we're at 0,0,0 with a rotation of 0. Under manage, I say coordinates, acquire coordinates, and then select the model from which I would like to acquire the coordinates. Get a confirmation that this has been successful. If I now select my project base point, I can see that I have a north-south coordinate of 802, 806, 315.3, east-west coordinate 413, 08, 0841.8, and an angle to true north of 356.55. We see that the orientation of the linked model has not changed. It is still sitting squarely on the sheet, and that is because our view is set to project north. Can confirm this in our project north setup. Looking at the true north, we see that the view or the model is orientated. I have placed a spot coordinate to confirm that I am seeing the correct coordinates from the model, and that is how I acquire coordinates. So in order to bring in future models, I will now go manage links, and let's say I want to bring in a architectural model. Because we have acquired the project's coordinates through the site model, and the architect has acquired the same coordinate system through their Revit file, I can navigate to the architectural model I would like to import, again through BIM 360, select the file I would like to import, and in this instance, we will go auto by shared coordinates. Both of our files share the same coordinate system, and therefore when I import the architectural model, it'll land in the correct location with the correct orientation. Okay, I see the grid lines and background information from the architect's model I've just brought in. I select that, confirming we have the same coordinates, eastings and northings, and project rotation. Looking in on a 3D view, I see my architect model has landed correctly.